Good morning, dear students. I am teaching lesson 14, electric current and its effect. Electric current and its effects. Chapter 14, electric current and its effect. Question answer. Answer the following. Everything I have given in study material. You can write from the study material. You can download from there and you can write. So, chapter 14. Answer the following and exercises you have to write from there. And today we will discuss about some keywords. What is the closed electric circuit? What is the closed electric circuit? The electric path which starts from the position terminal, that is the positive terminal of a cell battery, ends at a negative terminal without any break. That is called the closed electric circuit. What is the electric bell? A bell which works only when electric current passes through its coil. Electric circuit. The path along which an electric current flows. Electric conductor. The material which allows the electric current to flow through it. An electric insulator. The material which does not allow the electric current to flow through it. Elements of an electric circuit. Various devices wire which constitute an electric circuit. Various devices which constitute an electric circuit. Electromagnetism. A branch of physics which deals with the, what is the electromagnetism? A branch of physics which deals with the relationship between the electricity and magnetism. What is the electromagnet? A coil with a core of iron nail bar which acts as a magnet only when electric current flows through it. What is a fuse? A short length of fusible alloy, 50% lead, 50% tin, in the form of thin wire placed in the live wire such that it melts when the circuit gets overloaded, that is the short circuited. What is the nichrome? Nichrome is the alloy of 60% nickel, 25% iron and 15% chromium. What is the open electric circuit? An electric path which starts from the positive terminal of a cell battery but is broken at some point before reaching the negative terminal. Overloading. Passing more current in a circuit than it can tolerate. Short circuiting. When a live wire connects to the neutral wire or the earth wire by passing an electric device. This is all about keywords and electric bell diagram it is given, and you will take revision of electric bell diagram. And all metals and the solution of water, soluble acids, alkalis and salts are good conductor of electricity. Rubber, plastic, wood, mica, paper, wax, oil, air, vacuum, these are the bad conductors of electricity. Galvanometer detects the flow of electric current. Voltmeter measures the potential difference, and the ammeter measures the electric current in an electric circuit. Electric energy changes into heat energy when passed through conductor which offer good amount of resistance. Nichrome is used as a heating element in electric heating devices. Tungsten is used as a filament in electric bulbs. Cartridge fuse are used in expensive and sensitive electric devices. And when a current flows through a straight conductor, it behaves like a magnet. And the magnetic field set up by a current carrying conductor is at right angles to the flow of current. The magnitude of magnetic field increases with the increase in the magnitude of current in the conductor. A conductor behaves like a magnet only as long as the current flows through it. When a soft iron core is placed in a closed coil carrying current, it acts as an electromagnet, and the magnetic strength of an electromagnet can be increased by increasing magnitude of current, number of turns in its coil. And so in this chapter, in chapter 14, electric current and its effect, in the activity 14.1, you see that it is to show that electrically flows in a closed circuit and stops in an open circuit. You will take revision of activity 14.1 and symbols of the elements of electric circuit. You will take revision of this, different types of symbols of the given, that is the connecting wire, fixed resistance, variable resistant, inductor, cell, and plug K or single K, battery, galvanometer, ammeter, voltmeter, DC generator, AC generator. And in activity 2, to show the heating effect of electric current, you will take revision of this, and in oral questions are given, you have to do with yourself, and you will take revision of electric bell diagram. So chapter 14, you will write from the study material, everything is given there and you will complete from there. So chapter 14, electric current and its effect, completed.